Ever wanted your own ChatGPT, trained to sound like you, answer exactly how you want, and actually do things like respond to leads or onboard users? Let me introduce you to CustomGPT from VoiceFlow, the AI builder that's changing the game. With this tool, you don't need to be a coder, data scientist, or AI expert. In fact, if you can drag, drop, and type, you can build your own AI agent today. So how does it work? First, you log into VoiceFlow and choose CustomGPT. From there, you can upload any data, PDFs, URLs, documents, spreadsheets, even entire knowledge bases. This becomes the brain of your new AI. Then you set the personality and tone. Want it to be casual and funny? Or formal and expert level? You're in control. The magic? You can actually test it live in the same dashboard. Ask questions, try scenarios, tweak it in real time until it's perfect. And the use cases? Seriously endless. Customer support bot that actually knows your product. Lead qualification bot that talks to visitors in your tone. Internal AI assistant trained on your company docs. Even a YouTube comment reply bot that sounds like you. But here's the kicker. You can embed it on your site, connect it to apps, and deploy across platforms with just a few clicks. No APIs, no fine-tuning models, no hallucinating bots that go off script. And yes, this is way cheaper than hiring a dev team or relying on janky chatbots that confuse your customers. If you're a creator, solopreneur, agency, or just want a smarter workflow, CustomGPT is a power move.
Imagine running an AI model as smart as ChatGPT on your laptop. No massive data centers, no $10,000 GPUs, just one single graphics card. This isn't a pipe dream, it's DeepSeek R1. Developed by DeepSeek, a Chinese research lab gaining serious traction, R1 is their new distilled model, based on DeepSeek VL, their original multimodal AI. But here's the kicker. R1 has just 1.3 billion parameters, yet still punches way above its weight class. It's part of a growing trend in AI, model distillation. That's the process of shrinking a large, powerful model into a smaller version that keeps the intelligence without the bulk. Think of it as compressing a genius into a travel-sized brain. R1 can run efficiently on a single consumer-grade GPU, making advanced AI accessible to indie developers, researchers, and startups without massive cloud budgets. That's huge. Despite its small size, R1 shows strong performance in multiple tasks, from reasoning and math to coding and question answering. It's optimized using a mix of supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and massive pre-training, something you usually only see in the big leagues. And here's the best part. Yep, R1 is open source. Anyone can download it, modify it, and build on top of it. This isn't just about democratizing AI, it's about speeding up innovation in ways that centralized labs simply can't. With open models like R1, we're entering a future where powerful AI doesn't just live in Silicon Valley. It lives on your desk, in your code, in your ideas. So the next big thing in AI might actually be something small. What if your AI image tool didn't just create pictures, but could edit them like a pro designer? Black Forest Labs is making that real with their new release, Kontext. This isn't your average image generator. It's an AI model that understands images contextually and can both generate and edit visuals using natural language prompts. So, what makes Kontext different from models like Midjourney or DALL-E? While other models focus on creating images from scratch, Kontext takes it a step further. Let's say you have a photo and want to change the background, remove an object, or adjust lighting. You don't need Photoshop skills. You just type what you want, and Kontext does it. This means no masks, no layers, no brush tools, just plain English. But here's the kicker. Kontext doesn't rely on standard diffusion methods. Instead, it uses a neural rendering architecture that breaks the image into layers of understanding, textures, objects, geometry, and reconstructs it based on your instructions. This allows for highly targeted edits without breaking image coherence. The team behind Kontext says their goal is total image fluency. In other words, they want AI to see and manipulate images the way humans do, with intuition and understanding of what makes sense visually. And it's not just for art or memes. This could disrupt photography, e-commerce, advertising, even filmmaking. Imagine a product shoot where you can instantly swap colors, change settings, or test ad creatives, all without reshooting. Kontext is currently in private beta, but Black Forest Labs is inviting creators, brands, and developers to test early access. This is part of a bigger wave in AI, where the lines between creation and editing blur completely. One tool, one prompt, endless possibilities. And the next time someone says, "Can you Photoshop that?" your AI might just say, "Done." Imagine asking a question like, "What are the top performing stocks in the S&P 500 over the last 6 months?" And instead of getting a basic text answer, you instantly get a clean, interactive spreadsheet or even a full dashboard built for you with zero Excel formulas, zero templates, and zero coding. That's exactly what Perplexity's newest tool is doing, and it could redefine how we handle data forever. This isn't just another chatbot. Perplexity, the AI-powered search startup, just launched a feature that lets users go from query to fully formed spreadsheet in seconds. We're talking auto-generated charts, tables, pivot-style breakdowns, and even interactive dashboards built directly from a prompt. Let's say you're a marketer. You could ask, "Create a dashboard showing website traffic, conversion rates, and ad spend across platforms." Boom! Perplexity delivers a dashboard ready to go, with real-time data integrations if you connect sources like Google Analytics or Meta Ads. This isn't just hype. The tool integrates with enterprise databases, APIs, and even flat files, pulling in structured and unstructured data, analyzing it, and turning it into visual insights. In short, it turns data questions into working tools. Now here's where it gets wild. Instead of waiting days for analysts to generate reports, teams can self-serve insights instantly. Finance, sales, logistics. This could replace entire layers of manual dashboard building. But there's a bigger shift happening here. We're seeing a future where AI doesn't just give us answers, it gives us interfaces, spreadsheets, charts, dashboards, all automatically generated, all tailored to your question, all editable. Perplexity's new tool shows us that AI is no longer just assisting work. It's becoming the worker. So whether you're a business owner, data nerd, or just someone tired of building formulas from scratch, the spreadsheet game just changed forever. The future of data isn't rows and columns, it's conversation.